Yes, it's those 12 guys, and then there was others, there's another 5 with that 20 or less cap. So I'm not trying to butter up the performance. We can wait till we play, and the Georgians will kill me if I said, but we can wait till we play Georgia. And then a guy told us pretty well. But you're not sure of the intensity and the team that beat England and beat France. And they beat Argentina in Argentina last week, So we thought, I know the English is going to be upset, but we thought they're going to be tougher than the English because they beat England and they got no guys except Kingon and Hugh Jones who didn't play. So, now we know some guys needs a lot of work to stay in, and some guys made it. It's unfortunate a guy like Ethan. I mean, his mouth got pink. And there wasn't a head knock with him, and to only go over 6-2 split, and Kanan moved through, and then Ethan went off, but then Andre went to 12. And as I understand, he got man of the match, and we've been training with Andre at 12 for the last 4 weeks, so we got to answer there as well. Yeah, that's what we were trying to do. A lot of players we're very happy for, because as I said in the past, it's very met die Afrikaans antwoord, ekskuus. Dis baie moeilik om spelers altyd waardeer wat hy by sy provinsie doen of sy franchise doen, want dit wat die franchise van ou verwag is miskien 'n bietjie anders as wat 'n mens by ons in ons span en ons stelsels en hoe ons dinge doen. Ek praat nie van die veld af, ek praat van 'n kicking system of 'n attacking system of 'n defensive system. Is baie anders. En Andre hy was ons backup 12 in die game gewees en hy het op die ou en 12 toe te gaan nadat hulle vir Ethan afgehaal het. Maar ons wil ook gesien het wat kan Kean doen op 15 teen 'n baie goeie span. Ek weet Andre was man van die wedstryd en soos ons altyd sê, waar gaan hy nou ewe skielik op 31 swak speler word? So nie dat ek sê die Bulls se systems is nie goed nie, maar daar's als verskillende verwagtinge van 'n speler en verskillende stelsels, en ons voel Andre pas redelik goed in ons stelsel in, en ek is baie bly vir hom dat hy goed gedoen het.